Prosecution's Paula Llewellyn, KC, is to remain in office for another 2 years. An amendment this year to the Constitution changed the age of retirement for the post from 60 to 65. Llewellyn, who turned 63 on Thursday, would have left office this week if the Constitution was not amended. When she reached the initial retirement age of 60 in 2020, she was given a 3-year extension. When contacted on Thursday, Justice Minister Delroy Chuck said he was pleased. The process was not without challenges. However, as there was widespread backlash against the move to amend the Constitution in July. A lawsuit was filed in August in the Supreme Court by 2 members of the opposition People's National Party, who are contending that the constitutional amendment was done for an improper purpose. Philip Paulwell, the leader of opposition business in the lower house, and his counterpart in the Senate, Peter Bunting, are seeking declaration from the court that the amendment is unconstitutional and null and void. They are seeking a declaration that Llewellyn should not be allowed to remain in office beyond September 21, 2023, when her 2020 extension ends, and the trial is set for November 20.